Okay, just quickly going to demo the alarm system in the house. Got an alarm system which will make calls and SMS message out when the alarm gets activated. What I've got in the house at the moment is an asterisk box running on a Raspberry Pi. The idea is that when the alarm gets triggered, it calls up the asterisk server, runs a PHP script which will automatically turn on all the speakers in the rooms and play a particular MP3 file which is from Home Alone 2. So I'm just going to simulate that at the moment, as I've not currently got the asterisk box's phone number programmed into the alarm system. So this is what's going to happen when the alarm gets activated in the house. Okay, so just first of all showing you there all 6 rooms. Currently the Rust sound system is turned off in all of those rooms. Okay, so what's going to happen is when we dial the number on the asterisk server, it's going to switch on each of those rooms, set party mode up, adjust the volume to a relatively decent level, and then connect into one of the Sonos boxes, clear the queue and play a MP3 file. So here we go. Okay, we've got the call coming to the asterisk box there. Go back to the web page. Should see all the rooms now active, and in a second I haven't got the light switched on in this room at the moment, but hopefully you can hear in the background the MP3 file from Home Alone 2. And there we go.